Day 2 of our kitchen renovation, also day 2 of demolition is done, and let's see what they've worked on. Let's take a look inside the bin, and I'll take you inside the house. This is what you get after 2 days. There's even less light than yesterday, if that's possible. And I didn't bring any additional lights into this space because this is what it feels like at this stage. So the floors are gone, the lath is gone that I showed you from yesterday, and now we get to see all sorts of cool details about the house. I didn't expect the floor to be gone quite so soon. What they did was they put a plastic sheet on the ceiling of the basement to catch as much dust as possible. These planks that make up the floor don't go all the way to the edge of the house, they just go to the edge of what was previously the wall. This is the old gas line. It's going to be capped off. The old ventilator is still here. And you can see this wall. When it was sunny earlier today, we could see the sunlight streaming into the wall. And that's why there was such a breeze or a draft coming off. So you can see the gaps here around the window. Those are easy to find, but even the bricks themselves, there were gaps that you can see right outside. You see that one? Right here. You can see the neighbors. So there are gaps like that throughout the house. There's knob and tube everywhere. We can take, it wasn't taken out, it's been deactivated. Here are the new wires when they replaced the knob and tube. Couple more relics to show you. This is an old phone drop here. That's gonna go away. And this ceiling here, which currently has asbestos in it, it's chamfers. So you can see there's a curve here, and that's what the curve looks like on the other side. So it's just a series of planks that have been angled in, and this is what craftsmanship looked like back then. And it's still standing up, it's still good. Also this door shape with the corners cut out of it. I don't know if that's original, I feel like it is. It might not be, given the material that they used, because this is a metal flange to do that shape, but we're gonna keep that shape. We've kept the original door frame, and we're gonna keep the original door as much as we can.